In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF to LibreOffice 2026, step by step. We're keeping this simple and reliable by using LibreOffice itself, so you won't need any extra converters or online tools. The method I'll show you is the best and easiest way to get a PDF into an editable format right on your computer. First, open LibreOffice. If you see the Start Center with the different app icons, that's fine. Just stay there. Now go to the top menu and choose File, then Open. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+O on Windows or Linux, or Command+O on a Mac. This brings up your file browser so you can navigate to the PDF you want to convert. Select your PDF and open it. LibreOffice will automatically import the file into LibreOffice Draw, which is the default editor for PDFs in the suite. Give it a moment for larger files. Once it's loaded, you'll see the pages laid out, often with a thumbnail panel on the side. From here, you can click into text boxes to edit words and paragraphs, adjust images, move shapes, and tweak the layout. If the PDF was designed with columns or complex graphics, expect a few elements to be grouped. You can ungroup them if needed to fine-tune placement. Also, if the original used fonts you don't have installed, LibreOffice may substitute them. So consider switching to a similar installed font to keep the look consistent. If your PDF is actually a scan or contains text that's embedded as images, you might find that the text isn't directly editable. That's because scanned PDFs don't include real text layers. You can still annotate, replace sections with new text boxes, or run an OCR tool separately if you need selectable text, but for many layouts, quick edits in Draw will do the job. When you're happy with your changes, it's time to save an editable copy. Go to File, then Save As. Choose the ODG format, which is the native LibreOffice Draw format. This preserves your layout and makes it easy to reopen and continue editing later. If you need to share your document with someone who prefers a word processor, you can export to a DOCX file. Keep in mind that DOCX is a word processing format, so after exporting, you may want to review the document and tidy up any layout shifts to ensure everything looks polished. That's it. Open LibreOffice, open your PDF, make your edits in Draw and save to ODG, or export to DOCX if you need broad compatibility. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.